Hey guys, it's Tamara from Pristis. I just wanted to show you one of the more luxury items that we have in the store and online. So this is the #1 travel stroller right now in the United States. So to start off, if you got a little troublemaker, this is a 4-part harness system. So baby is going to be secure. This is good for toddlers, you know, who like to unbuckle themselves. This isn't the easiest thing for a toddler to do, very easy for mama to do, however. It has patent pending seats. And the cushions are literally like memory foam. Your baby is not going to complain about being put in this. You can fold this all the way down. So on the very back, there is a zipper. Super convenient. You just pop this down and baby can now be fully in a laying position. If you don't want it like that, you just zip it back up, which is amazing. Super easy. Got a nice little basket, leather grip handles, but the best feature is, now watch, one-handed, look at this, super compact. It's actually been said that it can fit in the overhead compartment of an airplane. That's why it's like the #1. We'll do it. One-handed pop-up, look at that. Now this is the Joolz Aer. It is $399. You can find it at pristis.com or come on to the store. Thanks guys.